All right, coding assignment for week 10. So in this coding assignment, we had to add two more options to our projects app. We had to list projects and select a project. So you can see here, case 2, list projects plus the break that calls on the list projects method. We see here, we're going to take a list of projects and we're going to call upon the fetch all projects from the project service class. You can see here, fetch all projects, and we're going to call on a method in the project DAO class. And here we can see the fetch all projects. We have our SQL string that's going to call upon that, and our prepared statement, our create and connection returns, and then our catch and throws. So if we go here and you see all three options, and we go to, we can see we have our projects available ordered by project name. And we enter, exit menu, clear this, and close the console. And we'll take a look at case 3, which is select a project. Call upon the select project method, which we have here, which would take an integer and get the input ID. Now, we'll have the project service, the fetch project by ID under project service, taking the project ID. We see here, this also has us go to the project DAO class. We'll have an error message here if we do not give a valid project ID. And we have a method fetch project by ID with our SQL string, create our connection, prepared statements, but we're also going to have the methods to pull in the data from the other tables from material, category, and steps. And down here, we can see we have those methods where we're going to have select from the category table, and we're going to have to join it to the project category table because we don't have the project ID is not a foreign key in the category table. And then we have the step table and the material table. They're pretty much the same thing, where we're going to use the project ID, pull in that information when we select our project ID. We added some in the MySQL CLI. We added the materials, the categories, and the steps for a project. And we also, using Eclipse, added a project that made sense with these steps. And we can look here, we can see we have the materials been added, step, category. We have the project category table created as well. We have projects. I created hang door. Seem to make sense with the other issues. You can see here, this is last week playing around, testing out the Eclipse, creating a bunch of nothing projects. But we go back to Eclipse and we run this again. Select 3. Select 3. We'll go with that project 7. You can see here, project ID 7, name hang door. We have all estimates from the project, and then our materials, steps, and category information is also laid out. And if we go 3 again, let's do project 8. You will see we get a no such element exception. Project D with project ID equal 8 does not exist. Try again.